Okay, so today we'll be adding multiple emails and multiple addresses. Maybe multiple emails only first, right? Let's see. But we'll do it what we have already done, right? Let's go to the TS file. In our TS file, what is the first step? Right, first step is right to add say key emails, right? And I'll say new form array. Right, inside this form array it will have an array which will have a new form group, right? And inside a form group it will have a JSON, right, that contains email, which is a new form control, right? So this is the first thing that we are doing, right? Second thing which I'll do is I'll write a getter for all emails, right? And in this I will simply say return this dot contact form dot get, right? Inside get I will type emails, ये emails का है, so from here, right? And I will return it as form array, right? So this as form array is nothing but a sort of casting, right, that is converting from one form to another. थर्ड इज राइट, जैसा हमने ऐड न्यू मोबाइल डाला था वैसा ही आई विल से ऐड न्यू ईमेल. दिस फंक्शन वुड बी देयर और इट वुड बी कॉल्ड जब भी हम लोग वो ऐड ईमेल बटन पर क्लिक करेंगे, राइट? एंड हियर आई वुड से दिस डॉट ऑल ईमेल्स डॉट पुश, right? And this push should contain a new form group which has a form control. मैं इसे कॉपी कर लेता हूं ताकि एरर ना आए. I'm copying it from here and I am pasting it here, right? Why I'm adding one thing here is because the reason for this is that by default एटलीस्ट एक फॉर्म विजिबल होना चाहिए, यानी एक ईमेल दिखाने के लिए हमारे पास ये होना चाहिए. इफ यू रिमूव दिस तो बाय डिफॉल्ट कोई फील्ड वहां पर नहीं रहेगी, राइट? दीज आर द थिंग्स विच आई एम डूइंग इन माई TS फाइल. फर्स्ट थिंग इज कि आई एम एडिंग एन ईमेल्स, एक फॉर्म एरे, उसके अंदर एक एरे में आई एम एडिंग अ फॉर्म ग्रुप जिसके अंदर जो भी फॉर्म कंट्रोल रहेगा. In this case the email is the form control, right? Then I am writing a getter to get all the emails because हमें UI में उसे iterate करके display करवाना है. That is the reason I am writing, right? And third, add new mobile, add new email in which उस फॉर्म एरे में आई एम जस्ट पुशिंग. ये ऑल ईमेल्स क्या है, ये जो गेटर हमने लिखा है उसी के थ्रू हम लोग उसे एक्सेस कर रहे हैं और उसी में हम लोग एक नया फॉर्म ग्रुप जो है उसे पुश कर रहे हैं. दैट इज व्हाट वी आर डूइंग हियर इन माय HTML. राइट, इन माय HTML व्हाट आई विल डू इज, राइट, जैसा मैंने एक फॉर्म एरे उधर बनाया था वैसा ही एक फॉर्म एरे हम लोग यहाँ भी बनाएंगे, राइट? सो आई विल से div, inside div I'll use form array name equals to, and the name of my form array is emails, right? Now inside emails I'll have a label, for हटा देता हूँ मैं, and labels में I'll say emails, right? Then I'll have a button, right? In the button I'll say add new email, and I'll say click equals to add new email. Probably this should be the name of my function as well, because this has to be the name of the function. Yes, it is add new email, so that is fine, right? Then I'll iterate over all the controls in my this thing. I'm just copying this, I'm just pasting it here. Instead of all mobiles, I'll use all emails, right? I equals to index, and I have only one field. In this case, what is that field? That field is email, which is my form control. I am saving this, right? My project is running here. Let me see what happens if I click on add contact, right? I only get add new mobile. I did not get add new email. I don't know why I did not get that. Maybe I can say j equals to index, and here I'll use j. Property I does not exist on type. Where is it? Okay, okay, now I got here. Right, now if I click on add new email, it keeps on adding new this thing. Right, let us see if this thing works. I'll add something here, I'll add something here, and in emails I'll type something, and here also I'll type something. I'll open the console. I'll clear this and I click on save. तो आई जस्ट नीड टू चेक कि मल्टीपल ईमेल्स मेरे जेसन में आ रहे हैं या नहीं आ रहे, राइट? आई हैव नॉट पुट इन एनी वैलिडेशन, आई हैव नॉट डन एनीथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट. व्हाट आई विश टू चेक इज कि मल्टीपल ईमेल्स मेरे इसमें आ रहे हैं या नहीं आ रहे, और मुझे वो समझ नहीं रहा है क्यों नहीं हो रहा है. Yes, now I expand this. In emails I get both the emails, right? So that is how you add, again dynamically use elements or dynamically create input fields in your form. In the same way, let us repeat this for addresses, right? What will I do? I'll go in my form, in my ts file, right? I'll use addresses as a key, right? Again I'll say new form array, right? In form array I'll have an array internally in which I'll say new form group, right? Inside form group again I need different controls. So my first control would be line 1, I would say new form control. Then line 2 again new form control, and I missed the colon. Then we can have line 3 again new form control. Then I can have city again new form control. State new form control, and maybe country new form control. And I guess pin code, new form control. Right, this is the first thing. Second thing is, I'll write a getter. I'll say all addresses right. I'll copy this, I'll paste it here. I'll copy this addresses and I'll paste it here, right? Rest is all same. Third is add new email. Just add new address which will be called whenever you click on the button, right? And I'll copy the form group from here. And instead of add new email, I'll say add new address. Right. Then in HTML, I'll write the basic code for you all and I'll leave it up to you to write a proper form in HTML. So I'll use form control name equals to addresses. Right, add new email के बदले I'll say add new address. Here I'll say address. Right, all emails के बदले I'll say all addresses. Right, and form control name में पहले I'll write line 1. Right, तो इससे एक single address आएगा कि नहीं आएगा, let us check. तो what I'll do is let j equals to index किया है तो I'll say let k equals to index and here form control name I'll use form group name again I'll use k. राइट तो यहाँ पर अभी भी ईमेल्स लिखा हुआ है तो इट शुड बी एड्रेसेस. If I refresh this will become addresses. If I click on add new address, यहाँ पर नया एड्रेस ऐड होना चाहिए आइडियली, लेकिन वो नहीं हो रहा है क्योंकि वो ईमेल सभी भी कुछ तो फॉर्म कंट्रोल में गड़बड़ होगी कहीं ना कहीं. I said form control name equals to line 1 because add new address में प्रॉब्लम होगा possible. तो we'll go to add new address button click पे I have to write add new address. Right, so in this button click I say add new address and inside add new address somewhere this is the problem. I am using all emails here. It should be all addresses.push. Right, so that was the real problem. That problem should be solved now. Okay, now this thing is adding something. I'll check if we are getting something proper output, that is 3 addresses. सिर्फ लाइन 1 मिल रहा है क्या, मैं इतना ही देखने वाला हूँ, बाकी आपको खुद को देखना है. Right, so I get MM, NN and BB inside line 1. right? बाकी सारी line 2, line 3, these are all null because we have not added the input fields and the form controls for the same, right? Now what you need to do, right, कि ये addresses वाला पहले complete करो, right? And इसमें your city should be a drop down, your state should be a drop down, the country should also be a drop down, right? फिर line 1 तो किया है, line 2, line 3 पिन कोड वहाँ होना चाहिए, right? So that is the task which you need to complete, right? Is it clear? क्या टास्क करना है? नो रिप्लाई, तो आई होप इट इज। तुम्हारा प्रॉब्लम भी सॉल्व हो जाएगा खुशबू इससे, आई गेस, जो तुम्हारा प्रॉब्लम था।